Hello, my name is Kailas, or you are watching Spoken English Master. Word of the day. Today's word is lucrative. First of all, we'll see the meaning of lucrative. Then we'll be talking about the synonyms of lucrative. And last thing that we'll be talking about, that is examples of lucrative. How to use lucrative word in a particular sentence properly. Okay, so let's start learning. देखिए दोस्तों, lucrative word का meaning क्या है? लुक्रेटिव मीन्स लाभजनक. ओके, हिंदी में इसका मीनिंग लाभजनक. ओके, यू कैन से प्रॉफिटेबल. ओके, ये एक एडजेक्टिव है. ओके, एडजेक्टिव, व्हाट इज एडजेक्टिव? एडजेक्टिव मीन्स दोज वर्ड्स व्हिच क्वालिफाई द नेचर ऑफ नाउन और प्रोनाउन. ओके, सो लेट्स टेक सम सिनोनिम्स. नंबर 1, प्रॉफिटेबल. नंबर 2, beneficial. Number 3, advantageous. Number 4, remunerative. So these all are the synonyms of lucrative. Synonym means words are different but meaning is same. So either you can use these words or you can use lucrative word. देखिए दोस्तों, now we'll see examples of lucrative. Number 1 example, it's a very lucrative business. ये जो business है बहुत लाभजनक business है. देखिए, business is what? Business is a noun and it's being qualified by lucrative. Lucrative word is qualifying the nature of noun. Here noun is what? Business. So that's why lucrative word is an adjective. I think ये आपको समझ में आया होगा. Next one, lucrative offer should never be left. Lucrative offer should never be left. कभी भी जो लाभजनक ऑफर होता है उसे छोड़ना नहीं चाहिए. ओके, लाभजनक जो ऑफर होता है उसे कभी भी छोड़ना नहीं चाहिए. So here also offer is your noun and it's being qualified by lucrative. Lucrative is what? It's an adjective. Okay, it's qualifying the nature of noun. Here noun is what? Noun is offer. So offer is being qualified by lucrative. What kind of offer is this? किस तरह का ऑफर है? This is lucrative offer. बहुत लाभजनक है कि नहीं? That means lucrative is your adjective. I think ये आपको समझ में आया होगा. We have already uploaded so many videos on grammatical rules. If you want to watch those videos, you can check the description box, or you can also go to playlist to watch each and every video. That's all for today. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this. Thank you. Thanks for watching.